Hello friends, welcome to the session. So in this session we will learn about this create react app folder structure. So first thing we learn about this public folder. So what is this public folder is it holds some static static data, like this public folder is not compiled by webpack, and this public folder will not go under transformation. It will directly be pasted in the build folder. So inside this public folder there is one index.html file, which is the only one HTML file of our project, and in this HTML file there is one div with id root. So let's delete this comment. This will make a look like it is super hard stuff, but it is actually a very easy to understand thing. So on deleting this all, so this is what our index file look like. So all we care here about is this root, and this is basic embedding of certain link in the project. So if we have some Google font to use in our project, we can directly link here. So now after this public folder we have our source folder, in which everything of our project will lie. So here is one index.js file. This index file will be solved by our webpack, and whatever component is rendered in this index file will be solved accordingly by the webpack. So this index is referencing this app component, and this app component is imported from this app.js file. I will get into this import and export in upcoming session. So for now just understand that we can import certain components from another file as well and put it here like this. So this app is one and only mounting point, like mounting point of our system, and all whatever we do in React will be carried out from this component now. So we can make thousands more component, and those thousand more components should be listed out here so that our React project will be functional. So this is what our index and app page look like. So this is the same old stuff, just taking out this app component and rendering it into the root element, which is obviously here this element, just like we did previously. So here is one service worker. So what is this service worker? So service worker is for offline working and progressive web app building. So this is beyond the scope of this course. So we will not get into this for now, and we will simply remove this from our project folder, as well as we will remove this service worker. And this test is for testing the component, so we will not go inside testing, so we will delete this test as well. So server worker.js is not found, right? So we have not imported it, so now it is fine. So here are some excessive file. Let's delete that. We will delete this app test as well, and we will delete this app.css as well, and we will delete this logo.svg as well for now, because we don't need that, right? So in index there is index.css. We will write all our css inside here, and there in app.js we are getting error, right? Because we are importing css here, which is not available. So let's delete this and let's save. So now we have clean looking source folder, and we will proceed further from this source now. And there is one important file which is package.json. So in this package.json, whatever package, react package we use will be listed out here, like react dom, react script, those script which we imported from react cdn while we were writing in html file, those are referenced here. And there are certain scripts like start, build, test, eject. So we hit npm start, and that run our compiled our code and run in run it in development mode, right? So this, when we hit npm start, it actually run this react script start, which make it happen. So, and when we hit npm run build, this will run this script and it will create a build folder in this file which we will host in our website. And test is for testing, and eject means this is one default configuration made by react. So when we run npm run eject, it will eject all the webpack configuration, babel configuration, and ESLint configuration. So all those configuration, if we want to manage by ourselves rather than using the default configuration of react, we can eject the project and we can do that. And this is also beyond the scope of this project, so we will not get into this ejecting, this testing for now. So we will get into build later on in the course. So for now we already know what does npm start do. So this is all about the package.json file. For now we will get more into this file as we require later during the project. So for now let's click, and there is one package.log.json. It will just basically log, it is just like a log. It will write all the package log, and it will be it will be helping us to generate some intelligence as well. So this is all the folder structure we have in create react app, and in next video we will be dive into props, state components, and so on. So thank you for watching, guys.